Now we shall discuss undesirable behavior of explanation skill. There are some behaviors that the teacher should avoid while explaining any concept. The component of undesirable behavior are irrelevant statements, lack of continuity, lack of fluency, and vague words and phrases. Let us now discuss these undesirable behavior in detail. First, undesirable behavior is irrelevant statements. Which statements are irrelevant? Those statements which are not related to the topic being explained and which do not help in understanding the topic by the students are irrelevant statements. Such irrelevant statements create confusion and distract the attention of the students from the main topic of explanation. For example, suppose the topic of discussion is right to vote. Teacher says to the students, right to vote is a privilege which has acquired after a long period of struggle in different countries. Until the end of 18th century, the right to vote was restricted to holders of property and possession of educational attainments. What is the simple thing it was? I don't like it. In the above paragraph, the last underlined sentence is an irrelevant sentence. Therefore, the teacher must avoid irrelevant statements while explaining any topic. Next, undesirable behavior is lack of continuity. If the teacher breaks the sequence of ideas or information, then it breaks the continuity of an explanation. Lack of continuity in the explanation makes it difficult for the student to understand the concept. For example, suppose the topic of discussion is formation of the rainbow. The teacher states the following paragraph consisting of 4 statements to the student. Statement number 1, formation of rainbow is based on the dispersion of light. Statement number 2, after the rain, water vapors get suspended in the air. Statement number 3, sun rays pass through these suspended water vapors. And statement number 4, rainbow is formed. In this discussion, the logical continuity between statement number 3 and statement number 4 is broken because of missing link. The link is these vapors in the air act as prisms. The addition of this statement between statement 3 and statement 4 makes the explanation clear and effective. Therefore, the teacher should not break the sequence of statements while explaining any concept. Next undesirable behavior is lack of fluency. Fluency in explanation means the flow of uninterrupted statements in respect of the concept being explained. Fluency is affected when a teacher does not speak coherently. If the teacher speaks half the sentence and reformulates it in the midst of the sentence, then it disrupts fluency of the explanation. The lack of fluency in the explanation distracts students' attention from the topic they are learning. Last undesirable behavior is vague words and phrases. There are some words and phrases which do not give an explicit idea about the concept being explained, known as vague words and phrases. Some of the vague words and phrases which are commonly used are probably, most, in fact, somewhat, perhaps, actually, something, nowhere, you know, etc. The use of vague words and phrases hinders the student's understanding. For example, the teacher says to the student, the protein in fact helps the growth of almost all the cells of body. Due to its lack of food, children may not grow properly. It seems important to include some protein in your food. In the above paragraph, the underlined word in fact and almost all are the vague words. Therefore, the teacher should avoid the use of such words which makes an explanation vague and hinder its understanding. In this section, we have discussed the following components of undesirable behaviors of explanation, such as irrelevant statements, lack of continuity, lack of fluency, and vague words and phrases.